निधाय हृदि विश्वेशं विधाय गुरुवन्दनं बालानां सुखबोधाय क्रियते तर्कसङ्ग्रहः शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। What is Anumanam? Anumitikaranam, Anumanam. What is Vyapti?
सहचर्य
यत्र यत्र धूम.
नहीं, not yatra yatra dhuma.
सहचार्य नियम.
हाँ, सहचार्य नियम. सहचार दर्शन is called Vyapti. See, it is given in 54, on page 54. साहचर्य नियमो व्याप्ति ही. साहचर्य नियम is called व्याप्ति. यत्र यत्र धूमः तत्र तत्र अग्नि is explanation of what is व्याप्ति. साहचर्य नियमो व्याप्ति है. What is व्याप्त्याश्रयः?
व्याप्य.
व्याप्य is व्याप्ति आश्रयः. And what is व्याप्य?
धूम.
What is Vyapti Ashraya is Vyapya. What is Vyapya? What will be the answer? What is Vyapti Ashraya? Rama is Dasharatha Putra. Who is Dasharatha Putra? Rama. Vyapya is Vyapti Ashraya. What is Vyapti Ashraya? Vyapya. What is Vyapya? Vyapti Ashraya. What is Paramarsha?
व्याप्ति विशिष्ट पक्ष धर्म ज्ञानम परामर्शः.
Vyapti Vishishta Paksha Dharmata Jnanam. Everybody should come prepared. Tarka Sangrah class is different from other class. Here you have to answer the question. Vyapti Vishishta Paksha Dharmata Jnanam Paramarshaha. How many types of Anumanam are there? Two.
Two types.
What are they?
Pararthanam.
Swarthanumanam, Pararthanumanam. In Swartha and Parartha, what is the meaning of the word Artha?
Prayojanam.
Prayojanam. Swasya Prayojanam is Swartha. Parasya Prayojanam is Parartha. How many? What is Pramanam? Pramakaranam is Pramanam. Pramakaranam, Pramanam. How many Pramanas are accepted by Prabhakara? 5. 5. By Naiyayikas, how many Pramana? 4. Naiyayikas accept how many pramanas?
शब्द अनुमान
Which one you said first?
शब्द
Then?
अनुमान
Pratyaksha they accept or no? Pratyaksha they accept.
yes प्रत्यक्ष
First you have to say pratyaksha. Then anumana. Then
उपमान
upamana. And shabda. What is the name of prama when upamana pramana is used?
Swamiji, that part I don't know.
Upamiti. Upamana pramana, the prama is called upamiti. Anumana pramana, prama is called anumiti.
Anumiti.
Shabda pramana, prama is called shabda. Shabda prama. Okay. So now pay attention more and answer questions. So we have seen, we are on page number now 58 in Padakritya. Ayamiti.
व्याप्ति बलेन लीनमर्थं गमयति इति लिङ्गम्
व्याप्ति wait. व्याप्ति बलेन लीनम अर्थम गमयति इति लिंगम. When there is vyapti, on the strength of vyapti, लीनम अर्थम गमयति. What is lingam? Because why this linga shabda has come? Linga paramarsho numanam. So now you have to explain what is linga. So that's why lingam is what? Leenam artham. Leenam means that which is hidden. What is not otherwise known. Gamayati. Gamayati means? Anybody? What is Gamayati?
Understand.
To make understand. Jnapayati. Bodhayati. Gamayati means Jnapayati, Bodhayati. Nijanta Shabda. To make it known. Leenam artham gamayati iti lingam. When we were in Kedarnath, we were doing the puja. We had the fortune of actually going inside the temple, in the sanctum sanctorum. And first I sat with the priest. I told him where I am from and what not. And then he was happy. I think he was happy. Then he took us inside. So he was explaining, this is Shivalinga, Leenam Artham Gamayati iti Lingam. So that much they have memorized, they have to tell everybody all the key people who come, and lot of Swamis go there to Kedarnath. At least some Swamis, they will go and try to do puja inside. So they have to know their basic concepts. So Leenam Artham Gamayati iti Lingam, Shivalingam. Jnapayati, Bodhayati iti Lingam. How? Vyapti balena. On the strength of Vyapti. Through Vyapti, it will reveal something. That is called Lingam. Read further. Read further. Taccha dhumadi. Tastha परामर्शो ज्ञान विशेषः इत्यर्थः। तच्च धूमादि, tat means lingam. That linga here is dhuma adi. Adi means wherever you have vyapti, whatever is the vyapya, it will become lingam. What is vyapya will become lingam. Tatstha paramarshah jnana visheshah. Paramarsha is also jnanam. Tatstha means lingastha. There in the dhuma, which is the linga, there the paramarsha is. Because linga paramarsha. Ayameva linga paramarsha ityuchyate. It is said in Moolam. Paramarsho jnana vishesha. Paramarša is jnana vishesha ityartha. Tasmaditi. So now further.
लिङ्गपरामर्शात् इति अर्थः। स्वार्थानुमानम् उपसंहरति तदेतदिति।
Wait. Linga paramarşat ityartha. Tasmat means linga paramarşat. Where is tasmat in the Moolam? At the end in the Tika, ayameva linga paramarsha ityuchyate. Tasmat parvato vanniman. That tasmat. Tasmat means because of this paramarsha. Because of linga paramarsha. Linga paramarshat parvato vanniman. So pratigna purti, pratigna siddhi will be there because of linga paramarsha. Linga paramarshat. Now the upasamhara is done. Tadetat iti. Read further.
स्वार्थानुमानम् उपसंहरति तदेतत् इति।
Further.
यस्माद् इदं स्वप्रतिपत्ति हेतुः तस्माद् एतत् स्वार्थानुमानम् इत्यर्थः।
यस्माद् इदं स्वप्रतिपत्ति हेतुः तस्माद् एतत् स्वार्थानुमानम्. Since this is स्वप्रतिपत्ति हेतु, pratipatti means jnanam. Since this is the means, hetu means means, this is the means for jnanam for one's own self. Swapratipatti hetu. Tasmat. Therefore, this is called swarthanumanam, because this will produce jnanam for myself, for one's own self. So this is called swarthanumanam. If it produces knowledge for other, then it will become pararthanumanam. So this is swapratipatti hetu. So in this way swarthanumanam is over. Now let us see pararthanumanam. Moolam. Yattu swayam dhūmādagnimanumāya param pratibodhayitum pancāvayava vākyam prayujyate tat pararthanumanam. So if somebody will ask pararthanumanam kim, so the answer is yat panchavayava vakyam prayujyate tat pararthanumanam. Only this much is the answer. Pararthanumanam kim? Yat panchavayava vakyam prayujyate tat pararthanumanam. What about tu? Yat tu is given. What is this tu? Tu is just to show this is different. This is different from Swarthanumanam. This is Pararthanumanam. Pararthanumanam is different from Swarthanumanam. So in the Lakshana you don't have to say tu. Yat tu Panchava Vakyam you don't have to say. You just say yat.
Yat.
And Swayam Dhumad Agni Manumaya Param Pratibodhaitum. This is only more explanation. So this also is not part of the definition. That having understood by oneself, now to explain somebody else, this part is not needed. Swayam Dhumad Agnim Anumaya. Having understood from Dhuma, I have done Anumanam that there is Agni. Now Param Pratibodhaitum, to explain somebody else. This is Tumunanta Pratyaya. Bodhaitum. Panchavayava Vakyam Prayujyate. That Panchavayava Vakya Prayoga is done. That is called Pararthanumanam. Now what are the Panchavayavas? So Panchavayava means in Anumanam there are 5 sentences. So those 5 sentences are called Pancha Avayava Vakya. They are called Avayava Vakya. You have to remember, Naiyayikas, they say you need 5. We don't say we need 5. We Vedantins, we say 3 are enough. Purva Mimamsakas, they will say 3 are enough. Bauddhas will say 2 are enough. There is a shloka on this. Tatra panchatayam kechit, kechit dvayam, vayam trayam, udaharana paryantam, yadvodaharanadikam. This is a shloka. Tatra panchatayam kechit, kechit panchatayam. Some people say 5 are needed. So those kechit are who? Naiyayikas, Kanadas. Panchatayam kechit. Kechit dvayam. Some people only 2 are needed. Bauddhas will say only 2. Yat satyam tat kshanikam. Yatha deepashikha. Over. If it is satya, it is kshanika. This is their vyapti. Yat satyam tat kshanikam. And if it is asatyam, it is shunyam. Over. So they have only 2 categories. Satyam, shunyam. If it is shunyam, out. If it is satyam, it is kshanikam. Kechit dvayam, vayam trayam. Purva Mimamsaka says we say 3. What are the 3 out of 5? So they say either first 3 or last 3. Udaharana paryantam, yadva udaharana adikam, starting from udaharana. See now. यथा पर्वतो वह्निमान् धूमवत्वात् यो यो धूमवान् स वह्निमान् यथा महानसं तथा च अयं तस्मात् तथेति. So 5 vakyas are over. First vakya is Yatha Parvato Vanniman. So Yatha you don't have to put. Parvato Vanniman. This is vakya number 1. Second vakya is Dhumavatvat. Third vakya is Yo yo Dhumavan sa Vanniman. Yatha Mahanasam. So third one is where there is Vyapti also and Drishtanta also. That is third one. Second one is called Hetu, Dhumavatvat. Either you say Dhumavatvat, or if you want to say something else, what will you say? Dhuma vat tva means what? I have explained this. Dhuma vatva, dhuma wala. Dhuma vat means dhuma wala. Jahan dhuma wala, dhumavatva. Dhumavatva means dhuma. Dhumavatva. Ghatavatva means ghataha. Dhumavatva means dhuma. So either you say dhumavatvat or you say dhumat. Only dhumat if you say, it is okay. Dhumavatvat or dhumat. Yo yo dhumavan sa sa vanniman. Dhumavan. Matu pratyay is there. Dhumavat shabda. And then makara becomes vakara. What is the sutra? Huh? Tell. Sounds correct. Vasya. But you are not saying clearly. I can't hear it properly. Masya. Mova. That is a sutra because of which Dhumavat, Dhumavan. So Matub is there, Ma will become Va. Sasa Vanniman. This is the Vyapti, Yatha Mahanasam Drishtanta is also there. Tatha cha Ayam. Ayam means Parvataha, Pakshaha. Ayam Pakshaha, Parvataha. So Tatha cha Ayam means Tatha cha Ayam Pakshaha. This Paksha is also same. Same means this Paksha is also Dhumavan. Yatha Mahanasam Tatha Ayam. In this way you have to read. Yatha Mahanasam Dhumavan. Tatha cha Ayam Parvata Dhumavan. Ayam Parvato Dhumavan. Tasmat Tatha. Tasmat, this Tatha you have to connect with. This Tatha means Tasmat Tatha. Tatha means Tasmat Parvato Vanniman. Because Parvata is Dhumavan, therefore Parvata is Vanniman. Clear? Okay, let's go through this again. How many Vakyas are there? 5 Vakyas. Panchavaya Vakyam. First Vakya is called Pratignya. What is the Pratignya Vakyam? Parvato Vanniman is Pratignya Vakyam. Hetu is Dhumavatvat or Dhumat. Dhumavatvat or Dhumat. Third Vakya is Vyapti and Drishtanta. Where did you get the Vyapti? That you have to tell. You cannot say some Vyapti without mentioning where you found this vyapti. You say yo dhumavan sasa vanniman. So where did you see? Where did you see that if there is dhuma, whatever is dhumavan means mahanasam is dhumavan, and therefore mahanasam is also vanniman. You cannot say yatha hridam in the lake. Dhuma is there, fire is there. Because there is no such drishtanta where in hrida dhuma vanni vyapti is there. Chaturtha, fourth vakya is tatha cha ayam. What is it called? Huh?
Nigamanam.
No, what is fifth one then?
Nigamanam.
No, upanaya. Upanaya. Fourth is called upanaya. Fifth is nigamana. Okay, let us read the padakritya now. Then further is there. Okay, wait. One more sentence there. Anena pratipadita lingat
Pratipadita
paropi agnim pratipadyate.
pratipadyate.
Anena, by this pratipadita lingat, by this linga pratipadanam which is done, paraha api agnim pratipadyate. Paraha means anyaha, somebody else also. Chaitrena pratipadita lingat maitro api agnim pratipadyate. Chaitra has done anumanam and explained it to Maitra. Maitra also understood. Yes, there is Agni. So, anyaha paraha api agnim pratipadyate.
Krama praptam pararthanumanam aha yattu iti.
Krama praptam. What is the krama here? No.
Swarthanumanam is covered, now pararthanumanam.
Swarthanumanam was done. Now pararthanumanam. This is the krama.
Yat panchavayava vakyam prayujyate tat pararthanumanam iti sambandha.
So, yat panchavayava vakyam prayujyate tat pararthanumanam. I told you, what is pararthanumanam? Only this much sentence. Yat panchavayava vakyam prayujyate tat pararthanumanam. This much is the definition. Panchavayava iti. Further.
Atha avayavatvam nama dravya samavaya karanatvam pratignyadishu tad asambhavat katamete avayavaha syuhu iti chet.
Now what is avayavam? You said panchavayava vakyam. So, avayavatvam kim? Avayavatvam nama dravya samavayi karanatvam. What is avayavam? Avayavatvam dravya samavayi karanatvam. Avayavatvam. There where dravya samavayi karana is there, that is called avayava. Yatha, if you want to give drashtanta, pata samavayi karanatvam kutra asti tantushu. Pata samavayi karanatvam. Pata is dravya. Dravya samavayi karanatvam. So pata avayavatvam will be what? Tantu. Tantu will have dravya samavayi karanatvam. Pata samavayi karanatvam. Similarly, ghata samavayi karanatvam will be, what is ghata samavayi karanatvam? Kapala. Mrittika or kapala. Kapala is dravya samavayi karanatvam. Is Ghata Samvai Karanam for anything?
Ghata Rupa.
Right? Ghata Rupa is Ghata is Samvai Karana for Ghata Rupa. So all Ghata Guna, Ghata Karma, for them Samvai Karana will be Ghata. Good. So the question is asked here. Avayavatva is Dravya Samvai Karanatva. In Pratignadishu means Pratigna, Hetu, Vyapti, Drishtanta, Upanaya, Nigamanam, in all of them, Avayavatvam Asambhavat. There is no Dravya Samvai Karanatvam. Tad Asambhavat. Katham ete Avayavaha Syuhu. How do you say they are Avayavas? Correct? This is the question.
अनुमानवाक्यैः एकदेशत्वात्तु अवयवा इति उपचर्यत इति गृहाण.
So how do you say these are avayavaha? Anuman vakya ekadeshatvat. Anuman vakya ekadeshatva will be there. Where? Anuman vakya ekadeshatvat is the hetu. Anuman vakya ekadeshatva will be where? In those 5 vakyas, pratignya, hetu, drishtanta, etc., upanaya, nigama, they all will have anuman vakya ekadeshatva, because each one of them is one part of anumana vakya. Pratignya is anumana vakya ekadesha, hetu is anumana vakya ekadesha. So they all will have anumana vakya ekadeshatva. Correct? Every word, if you thoroughly understand now, in any greater text that you study later, which involves Nyaya, your concepts will be thorough. If you don't put forth more effort now, later Grantha you will drop out. Very clear. So you have to thoroughly, systematically study. We don't study to show somebody else that we are studying. We don't study to tick mark that I have completed. That is not the objective. We study because we want to study. You remember this. If you study to show somebody else will be happy that you are studying. You will not learn. If you study to tick mark, this granth is over, you come to me, I will tick mark all your books, that you have studied everything. So then you don't have to study anything. That is not the objective. Put forth proper effort, thoroughly understand. Recordings are there. Those who have missed classes, they should listen to recordings. अनुमान वाक्य एकदेशत्वात् तु अवयवाः इति उपचर्यते. अवयव शब्द here is only उपचार. मुख्य अर्थ of avayavattvam is dravya samvai karanatvam. Here it is not in that prayoga. Here it is because it is one component of anumana vakya. Ekadeshatva is there. Therefore, it is called avayava. Like our sharira. Sharira has avayavas. Like that. Iti grihana. Iti grihana, who is telling whom? Grihana is lot lakar. Teacher is telling student, you get it this way, understand this way. Read further.
अनु एवमपि पञ्चावयववाक्यस्य अनुमानत्वमेव न विचारसहं तस्य लिङ्गपरामर्शत्व अभावात् इति चेत्
Nanu evamapi. Okay, even though this is what you said is okay, panchavayava vakyasya anumanatvam eva na vicharasaham. This panchavayava vakya will do anumanam. Tasya anumanatvam. Vakyasya anumanatvam na vicharasaham. Vicharam na sahate. Means logically it doesn't sound correct. That 5 वाक्य मिलकर अनुमान हो जाएगा. The 5 sentences will form अनुमानम न विचारसहम. कस्मात् तस्य लिंग परामर्शत्व अभावात्. The पंचावयव वाक्यम अनुमानम is not linga param. You said linga paramarsham is anumanam. It is not there. Student is asking or Purva Paksha is asking. Now the answer is given. Read.
मैवं लिंगपरामर्श प्रयोजक लिंगे अनुमानम इति उपचारम अत्रत्वात्.
No. Linga Paramarsa Prayojaka. What is there in your book? Linga Paramarsa Prayojaka?
लिंगे.
Linge nahi. Linga Pratipadakatve. Na. Linga Pratipadakatve. Na. If in some books there will be Pathantara. If you don't have this reading, then you add that. Linga Paramarsha Prayojaka Linga Pratipadakatvena Anumanam iti उपचार मात्रत्वात्. दिस इज उपचार मात्र. उपचार मात्रत्वात्. लिंग परामर्श प्रयोजक लिंग प्रतिपादकत्वेन अनुमानम. सिद्धांत इज टेलिंग पूर्व पक्षी. लिंग परामर्श प्रयोजक. लिंग परामर्श is anumanam. That linga paramarsha prayojaka linga pratipadakatvena. So these 5 panchavakyas, what they will provide? They will provide the linga for pratipadanam. Paramarsha pratipadanam. लिंग परामर्श प्रयोजक लिंग प्रतिपादकत्वेन अनुमानम. So this panchavayava vakyam is called anumanam. Why? Because it will provide linga paramarsha. The 5 vakyas, they will give you the vyapti vishishta paksha dharmata jnanam. That is paramarsha. Paramarsha janya jnanam anumiti. Correct? So here linga paramarsha prayojaka linga pratipadakatvena anumanam iti upachara matratvat. Then the udaharanam is given thereafter. Tad udaharati. So this now all the 5 avayavas he is going to explain. Then we are going to see this in detail. This anumanam will go on. So tomorrow we will continue from tad udaharati. Okay? Tomorrow from tad udaharati. So you come prepared. PDF? Yes. Okay, so can you read tomorrow after? Okay. Om पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।